This week on Facebook, I started a 5-day challenge teaching online business owners what attraction marketing is and how to apply it in their business to increase their leads and their sales. So I decided to take one of those videos, edit it for YouTube, and introduce it to you. So make sure you stick around because there are a lot of valuable information and content for you to learn so that you can begin applying attraction marketing in your business to increase your sales and your leads. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload new content every single Saturday right here with me, the Family Brand Educator. Now, let's get to it. Vet Min here, the Family Brand Educator. Day 2 of the 5-day challenge. So last night was day 1, and I went over how to get your brand. Now tonight, we are going to talk about branding you and attraction marketing. So it's like a 2-for-1. So first, let's break down and define what attraction marketing is. And you may see me looking down because I do have my notes here, okay? Just want to make sure that I cover all information and I don't skip or miss anything. All right. So attraction marketing is attracting interested prospects to you who want what you already have to offer. This is a much better alternative to spamming our timelines. And let's be honest, guys, I know sometimes we get tired of seeing people constantly and consistently promoting themselves, promoting their products and their services, and we're like, okay, you're selling this, but who are you? I have no idea who you are. So after a while, it becomes a moot point and we tend to block them out. And this is why a lot of business owners, especially people that are building online businesses, why they become frustrated and they feel like no one is supporting them or listening to them, or all of their efforts are falling on deaf ears, is because they're marketing the wrong way. Okay. Now, one step, or the beginning step to attraction marketing, is adding value to the marketplace. Now, in this case, the marketplace will be our personal timelines, okay, our profiles. So adding value by addressing the biggest problems that your target market has, okay? When you speak to a problem that a person has, it's a trigger, okay? Because when people are dealing or battling with a problem and then they see someone online that addresses that problem, now it's a trigger. Now you have their attention. And when you have their attention, you need to kind of woo them in, attract them in. And once you pull them in, either by them following you, connecting with you, or sending a friend request, the moment they accept your friend request or you accept theirs, you know that they're going to go to your timeline to see, who is this person? What is this he or she? What are they all about? And as soon as they hit your timeline, it needs to be filled with value content that is not only speaking to the problem that they have, but also addressing solutions to the problem. When you do this automatically, and you repeatedly do this, right? It automatically puts you in a place of leadership and becoming the go-to person that has mastered this problem and also able to provide solutions to this problem that will help your potential customer or client move from point A to point B, okay? So when you give them what they want by consistently and constantly providing value to the problems that they have, they begin to know you, like you, and trust you. Okay, let's talk about branding for a little bit, okay? Branding you. Now, branding, honestly, it's not about how much money you make or how much money you've made. Branding yourself is really all about them. It's about your customers, your clients, and how you can serve them, okay? And you serving them with value. So the key word for tonight is value. Value. And this is why value, the value proposition, is the first component in the business model canvas. Okay. Now, let's go back to money just for a little bit. As I mentioned not too long ago, branding yourself is not about how much money you make or how much you've made when it comes to you presenting to the world. Okay. Now, when you're looking at your Cash App or your PayPal statements or your business bank account statements, the money that you make is only a representation of the value and the impact that you deliver. Okay, I want you to remember that it's a law. You guys know I love teaching on universal laws, right? I love it. It's a law. And the law says the more value that you provide, the more money that you make. So the money is the byproduct. The money is going to come if your focus and your attention is on delivering value and not fluff, but true value that is going to help your customers and your clients get the results that they need for the problems that they have. Let's go over the definition of the law of attraction. What is the law of attraction? So I know what it is, but I wrote it down here, okay? The law of attraction says your thoughts, your words, remember your words, what we post, words, your thoughts, your words, and your deeds will attract similar thoughts, words, and deeds from those you are in contact with. Who are we in contact with? Everybody that's on our friend list, because all we have to do from that point is jump into their inbox and strike up a conversation and begin the whole connecting process, the whole building relationship process. So they are a contact. So remember, you are attracting them to you based off of your word, thoughts, and deeds. Our businesses are born from within us. Our thoughts are within us. Our words are within us. Right? That's how it's born. We have an idea, we get emotional about it, we get excited about it, our emotions are triggered, and then boom, our businesses are born. Whether you have a grassroots business or whether you are in a network marketing company. So a big part of branding you with attraction marketing is answering these 4 questions. Okay? Now, if you're serious about really building your businesses, guys, I would advise that you write this down. The first question is, who are you? Really digging deep and discovering who you are, getting in alignment with yourself. The second question is, what is your passion? What is your passion? And many people aren't really sure what they're passionate about, honestly. So a question that you can ask yourself to begin journeying or putting yourself on that journey to really discover what your passion is what would you do if you didn't get paid for it? If you didn't get paid for it, but you would still do it because you're passionate about it. Me, honestly, it would be teaching. That's why I coined myself as the family brand educator. I teach. I love teaching. I'm passionate about it. My kids could tell you when I start talking, I can't stop. Right? I would do it even if I didn't get paid for it. The third question, what is your vision? Not your vision for you, your life, or your business, but what is your vision for your customers and your clients? Once you attract them and you pull them in and now they're interested in you, and now they may pay for a service or a product and begin that whole business to customer relationship, what is your vision for them? Last, 4th question, going into target audience. What group of people do you want to impact? Now, this is segueing into identifying your customer segments, which is another very important component in our business model. Guys, if you don't have a business model, it doesn't matter what business you're in. Okay, whether you're a spiritual advisor, you're a tarot card reader, you're a Reiki practitioner, you're in health and wellness, it doesn't matter what business you're in, you need to have a business model. Okay, so customer segmenting, you can have 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 different customer segments, because the reason that's so important is because when you're marketing, right, not spamming, but when you're marketing, your marketing needs to speak to a specific customer segment so that you're triggering them to be attracted to you. Another great way of identifying your core audience would be asking yourself, what do you love talking about? Again, I'll share with you. I love talking about anything business, anything finances, stocks, bonds, CDs, crypto, anything finances, anything business, marketing, sales, building a business, branding yourself. I love talking about that. The reason why it's important for you to know what you truly, truly love talking about in your space, in your industry, is because it will make it easy for you to create content. Remember that value content that you're going to create and post every day for your audience. So we should not be marketing and speaking to the same people every single day. We as business owners, and this is important for us to really grow and expand our brands, it is our job to go out there after we've identified who our target audience is, who our core segmented audience is, find out where they're hanging out at, right? Facebook is like high school, right? In this corner, you got the jocks. In this corner, you got the cheerleaders, the other group of folks hanging out in the gym. Find out where they're hanging out at and start connecting, building relationships, and sending friend requests. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. So this is for those of you that are building online businesses, okay, and really moving away from spamming your timelines and risking people unfollowing you or hiding your posts. Just because they don't delete you, some people will just unfollow you or hide your post, and then that kind of limits your reach, okay? But when you do it from the perspective of attracting your tribe, you'll begin to see your engagement boost and people becoming more interested in you. See these stack of books I have back here? I always recommend one book a month that you can apply, get results, and then start teaching so that you become the leader, the go-to person in your industry. All right? I hope that you found this information to be very helpful and that you were able to extract information that you can begin applying in your business to attract new prospects, customers, and clients while increasing your sales and increasing your leads. So make sure you comment below and share with me, what did you find that was most helpful for you? Until next time, next video, be well. Peace, family. I hope that you found this information to be helpful. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe by hitting that notification bell. Check out the videos here, and I'll see you next week as we dive into the next challenge. Peace, family.